After a fall chill on Saturday, we are back to the mild and muggy conditions for the first full week of October. This is student meteorologist Zack Duhaime on this muggy Monday morning. Lots of clouds out there, that kind of muggy, humid feel, a little bit of mist at times. Not a nice day out there, and these temperatures very mild. The 70 degree is the number to play if you're heading down to your local gas station. 70 in New York City, Bridgeport, Hartford, and New London. 71 in Stores, 69 in Danbury. So basically around 70. That's about 6 or 7 degrees above where we should be at 3 or 4 o'clock. It's only 10:30. It's not going to go too much higher than that, though. These numbers are going to stay where they are. Maybe add a couple degrees on there, but it's very mild. It's very muggy to start the week, but it's going to change with some rain tonight. So we have several rain chances. One of them comes this evening, maybe a downpour rumble of thunder. Then it becomes much cooler this evening into tomorrow's forecast. And then a very chilly late week period. I'm going to show you why. A very complicated setup. We'll get to it in just a couple of minutes. So current satellite. There's breaks in the clouds earlier this morning, but lots of clouds around Connecticut. We are right here in Danbury. More clouds back to the west. That will be filtering in over the afternoon. That's also where the rain is, back to our west in New York, Pennsylvania, and Vermont. And that's going to be heading into the area overnight tonight through the evening hours and into early tomorrow morning before like 6, 7 o'clock. Then this thing pushes out. And tomorrow is probably the best day of the week. Not perfect, but much better than we're going to see over the next coming days here. So 8 o'clock this evening could be a rumble thunder downpour coming through just around the southeastern Connecticut. Temperatures probably around 70, 73. To the northeastern part of the Connecticut, northwestern part, I should say, guys, sorry, maybe 60-ish. So this cold front pushes through, fastly drop the temperatures off and the dew points off. So it's cool, kind of drizzly overnight, but not as cold as we should be. And then by tomorrow, a cooler, less humid temperatures, mid to upper 60s, a little bit above average. But with the drop in humidity, it's going to feel much more fall-like than it does today when it's quite humid out there. So the unsettled period could set up for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe even in beyond that. And we have a very complicated setup. We have a high pressure to the north kind of hanging down there with a low pressure to the south. We hope the high pressure kind of pushes this low down, but if this thing comes closer to us, periods of showers, maybe some rainy periods, chilly conditions, have a temperature stuck around 50, 55, with gusts maybe to 35, 40 miles per hour, also with some coastal flooding. A big mess to sort out. The Westcon weather team will have your back all week long. This is the headache of the week. We hope the high pressure wins out, but if not, rainy conditions, windy, coastal flooding, and chilly temperatures probably Wednesday afternoon or right through the end of the week, maybe into the upcoming week for next week. And then, like I said, Thursday, no matter what happens with the system, looks very chilly. Temperatures probably barely breaking the 50-degree mark. So if you remember last Thursday, we may repeat it for this upcoming Thursday. And also not only the cool temperatures, but also some showers. This is a forecast radar for, I think, Thursday afternoon. Doesn't really matter. A lot to sort out. Just be prepared for some showers, windy conditions by later on in the week. Quick fall foliage update. Not much color around Connecticut. You got to head north to Vermont and Maine to get your big peak or lots of color. But this will slowly, as always, be shifting down over the next couple weeks here in Connecticut. Today's forecast for the afternoon, 73, so very mild, muggy, showers late, probably after 6, 7 o'clock. So this evening, some heavy rain, maybe a rumble of thunder. Temperatures still above average, but getting cooler in the low 50s. And tomorrow's forecast, not too nice. Could be some afternoon sun, but I think we cloud things up by 4 or 5 o'clock with the next system. Again, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all kind of up in the air. Looks right as of right now, it looks cool, showery, breezy, but how much rain, how much wind, all depends on that setup. Like I showed you, we'll track it here all week long at Westcon. This is student meteorologist Zack Duhaime. Enjoy the rest of the week.